Let's see about this 100 reps, shall we? I'm changing it up day to day. Not sure if this background music is gonna make this whole thing obsolete, but I'm willing to find out. Oh, my pant situation might be a foul as well, but I'm not gonna count it. Let's say 97, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 90, 89, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 80, 79, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 70, 69, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 60, 59, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 50, 49, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 1, 40, 39, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 30, 29, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 20, 17, 16, 15, 14, 12, 11, 12, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whew. Let's do some extra. Well, now I'm into the music. Gotta pull up these britches. They're low-rise britches. Well, that was 2 minutes worth of reps. How you doing?